Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to report a server on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now go to your user settings. Now scroll down. Here, you'll find the option of Advanced. Press on it. Now here you can see the option of developer mode. You have to just turn on this button. Now close it. Now click on Help Center. In Submit a Request, you have to press here Help and Support. Now here you have to put your email address. In type of questions, you have to give your general question. Now write your subject. In description, you have to give your user ID. Then you have to press on Submit. So this is how to report a Discord server in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.